Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Wind Chime Kits is probably one of the most relaxing and aesthetically pleasing additions you can make to your outdoor space. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wind chimes, exploring various kits that promise not only beautiful sounds but also a fun DIY experience. From the materials used to the ease of assembly, we'll cover everything you need to know to find the perfect wind chime kit for your home and garden. Number 5. Temple Wind Chimes, Copper, Feng Shui, Outdoor Decoration. Introducing the Temple Wind Chimes. The beautiful sound of these wind bells creates a relaxing atmosphere. It will soothe your senses. Experience the healing powers of Feng Shui with these wind chimes. Designed to bring balance to your life, it creates a harmonious sound. This resonates with the ancient energy centers. These copper wind chimes are built to last. Made of copper alloy and a sturdy nylon cord, it withstands wind and water damage. You can enjoy it for years. Honor loved ones with this memorial wind chime. Its clear and beautiful sound makes it a perfect gift. It's also a great housewarming gift. Add harmony to your home or garden with this outdoor decorative wind chime. It creates a gentle and soothing sound. It's suitable for any outdoor space. What we like. This wind chime is crafted from durable copper alloy, ensuring it can withstand the elements and last for years. Its gentle sound will enhance the ambience of any space. If you are looking for a beautiful and long-lasting addition to your outdoor decor, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These chimes are very pretty with a lovely soft tone. These temple-style bells have a wonderfully soft, pleasing sound. These wind chimes have such a soothing, peaceful sound that instantly makes my yard feel more relaxing. Number 4. Sympathy Wind Chimes with Hummingbird Wind Spinner. Losing a loved one is never easy. This wind chime is a thoughtful gift to express your sincere condolences. It offers a lasting memorial, unlike flowers, and provides comfort during times of grief. These wind chimes produce rich, full, and pleasing tones. The 6 tubes, varying in length, create a beautiful sound. The sound is a pleasant reminder of the loved one's spirit. The gift includes an exquisite sympathy card with a comforting verse. You can write your personal condolence message on the back. It's a long-lasting memorial gift. The 3-dimensional, waterproof hummingbird design sets this wind chime apart. The hummingbird symbolizes a messenger from beyond. When the wind blows, it brings the missing to your loved ones. These memorial wind chimes are made with high-quality, durable materials. It features a bronzed look, a tree-of-life image, and is corrosion-resistant. This is a decent sympathy gift and a unique outdoor decor. What we like. This wind chime is designed as a sympathy gift, offering comfort with its soothing, deep tones. The unique hummingbird design adds a special touch. If you're looking for a thoughtful and meaningful memorial gift for someone grieving, it will be a perfect choice. What people say. Beautiful wind chimes that sound great. They seem to be of good quality and were just what I was looking for. The size is perfect, and the color is kind of a bronze. They were so nice I purchased 2 and they are well made and the quality and sound are great and so is the tone. Number 3. Wind Chime Tubes Parts Kit. This kit provides everything you need to craft beautiful wind chimes. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys DIY projects and wants to add a touch of elegance to their home. With this, you can create a unique and personalized wind chime. The package includes 60 wind chime tubes in 5 different lengths. It also comes with 100 yards of durable wind chime string. This ensures you have plenty of materials for multiple projects. The tubes come in 5 different lengths, ranging from 2.75 inches to 4.55 inches. This variety allows you to create chimes with different tones and sounds. It offers a wide range of creative possibilities. The wind chime tubes are made of aluminum alloy and are oxidized for long-lasting beauty. The string is made of nylon, ensuring it can withstand the elements. This ensures that it will last for a long time. The tubes have a beautiful silver finish that shines in the sunlight. The string is transparent and colorless, complementing the tubes perfectly. This creates a visually appealing and harmonious design. This kit is ideal for making wind chimes, DIY gifts, and various arts and crafts projects. It's suitable for adults and anyone who enjoys creative activities. It's a great way to express your creativity. What we like. This kit provides 60 wind chime tubes in various lengths, perfect for crafting your own unique chimes. The tubes are made of aluminum alloy. If you are a DIY enthusiast or enjoy arts and crafts, this kit allows you to create personalized wind chimes. What people say. They're small, but there's a ton of them and they let off a pretty sound. The variation in the sizes and the included string makes it easy to customize. They make a nice sound. Number 2. DIY Wind Chime Kits, Arts and Crafts for Kids. This amazing kit includes everything needed to create beautiful wind chimes. It's a fantastic way for kids to express themselves and have fun. They will love making their own unique decorations. Each kit contains materials for 3 wind chimes, including wooden pots, chime rods, cords, and a connecting board. Plus, there are 12 vibrant paints and 3 brushes. It has everything they need to get started. These craft kits come in colorful boxes, making them ideal gifts for birthdays and holidays. Kids can also create personalized wind chimes to give as gifts on special days like Mother's or Father's Day. There are no limits to what they can create. Kids can let their imaginations run wild, choosing colors and designs that reflect their unique style. They'll have a wonderful time crafting. The wind chimes are easy to assemble, and children can try it themselves. For younger children, a little guidance can help. The finished chimes can be proudly displayed in the yard, window, or room. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us anytime. We'll respond within 24 hours to help. What we like. This kit includes 3 complete DIY wind chime sets, making it easy for kids to assemble and decorate. It encourages creativity with paints and brushes. If you have kids who love arts and crafts, this kit provides a fun and engaging activity. What people say. Very cute easy craft kit for 3, lots of fun for creative painting. It's a good quality for what it is and does chime just needs a good wind to function. Purchased for a family reunion activity for kids ages 13 to 18. It was so much fun 2 of adults made one. They are very cute. I put them together which was very easy. Number 1. Wind Chime Parts Replacement Kit. Is your wind chime looking a little worse for wear? This kit has everything you need to bring it back to life. It's the perfect solution for repairing and restoring your favorite chimes. This comprehensive kit includes a wooden round top, clapper, wind catcher, cord lock, nylon cord, brass pins, needle threaders, and a wood bead. With these parts, you can easily fix your old wind chimes. The wooden components are made from high-quality pine wood, ensuring durability and weather resistance. This means it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and will last for a long time. The pre-drilled holes and included nylon cord and needle threader make installation a breeze. You won't need to hunt for extra tools, it's all included to make your project simple and convenient. The kit's components are perfectly sized for most wind chimes. The round top is 4.72 inches, the clapper is 2.36 inches, and the wind catcher is 3.74 inches. It's designed to fit most 6-tube chimes. This kit doesn't include the tubes, so you can pair it with your existing tubes to create a unique wind chime. Bring your favorite wind chimes back to life and enjoy the soothing sounds. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to repair your existing wind chimes, featuring durable wooden parts and easy installation. It helps bring your favorite chimes back to life. If you have a wind chime that needs repair, this kit is a convenient and cost-effective solution. What people say. The wood pieces are beautiful and all the necessary pieces are included except the hook to hang the chime, but since this was a repaired job on an old worn chime I had the hook. Perfect for repairing busted old wind chimes. The finish of the wood is very nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.